Hello, my dear students. How are you today? Today, inshallah, we're gonna start chapter 4 for primary 3 lessons from 31 to 35. Let's start with polygons. What are polygons? Polygons are two-dimensional shapes. It means 2D shapes. 2D shapes we studied in grade 2. These are the shapes that are flat and has no volume. We can't open it or catch it or hold it. It's like our paper. We can just see them flat on the paper. So polygons are 2D shapes, straight sides only. Polygons have straight sides only. It means no curves in them, and they are closed shapes. To understand more, we will take some examples. Here, the first shape, it's polygon or not? Is it polygon? It's two-dimensional shape. It's straight sides only and no curves, yes? But it's not closed, it's open, so it's not polygon. Number 2, 2D shape, straight sides only and closed shape, so it's polygon. Number 3, is it polygon or not? No, it's not polygon. Why? Because it's curved. It's not a shape that has straight sides. Number 4, is it polygon or not? No, it's not polygon because here we have a curve, so it's not polygon. Number 5, yeah, it's polygon. It's 2D shape, straight sides and closed. Number 6, it's not polygon because it's open shape, opened shape. Here we have some polygons. We want to count their sides and their vertices and focus well with their names. The first shape is triangle. Triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 vertices. The second shape is square, and square is called quadrilateral, and we will see later what are quadrilaterals. And it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. The next one is pentagon. Pentagon, which is a polygon, and it has 5 sides and 5 vertices. The next one, hexagon. Hexagon is a polygon that has 6 sides and 6 vertices. The next one, heptagon. Heptagon. Heptagon is a polygon that has 7 sides and 7 vertices. The next one, octagon. Octagon. Octagon is a polygon that has 8 sides and 8 vertices. The next one, nonagon. Nonagon. Nonagon is a polygon that has 9 sides and 9 vertices. Decagon. Decagon. Decagon is a polygon that has 10 sides and 10 vertices. We studied all of them in the last year except heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. Now let's move to quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. It's very long word, and here our friend will help us to cut it and read it easily. Quadrilaterals, quadrilaterals, quadrilaterals. What are quadrilaterals? Any shape has 4 sides and 4 vertices is called quadrilateral. Like what? Here we have square, rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram, and rhombus. Parallelogram and rhombus. Parallelogram is our new shape this year. And all of them are called quadrilaterals. It means all of them has 4 sides and 4 vertices? Yes, let's see together. Here in our square, 1, 2, 3, 4. My rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4. And trapezium and rhombus and parallelogram. All of them have 4 sides and 4 vertices. Let's see vertices together. 4 in square, 4 in rectangle, 4 in trapezium, and 4 in rhombus, and 4 in parallelogram. So all of them are called quadrilaterals because they have 4 sides and 4 vertices. So any shape has 4 sides and 4 vertices is called quadrilateral. Now let's apply to our shapes. Here we have some shapes and we want to name them. The first shape is triangle, triangle. Second one, square, square, square. The third one, rectangle, rectangle. The fourth one, trapezium, trapezium, trapezium. And we called it in the last year trapezoid, and both of them are correct. So it can be called trapezium or trapezoid. The next one, circle, circle. The next is parallelogram, parallelogram, and it's a new shape this year. Parallelogram, parallelogram, parallelogram. And this parallelogram has 4 sides and 4 vertices, as we said in quadrilaterals, and each 2 opposite sides are parallel and equal. And the next one will be cube, cube, cube. And the next is rhombus, rhombus, rhombus. And number 9, hexagon, hexagon, hexagon. Number 10, octagon, octagon, octagon. Now let's move to some categories and title them or name them and see what in each category. The first category is 4 vertices and it has square and rectangle. What else? Rhombus, parallelogram, and trapezoid. All of them have 4 vertices. The next category is 3 vertices that has triangle, triangle. The next category is 6 vertices. It has hexagon, hexagon. And the next one, 7 vertices. It has heptagon, heptagon, heptagon. I know heptagon is not included here in our shapes, but we studied it in the previous slide, and I want you to use it to memorize it and study it well. The next category is 8 vertices, which is octagon, octagon. And the last one, no vertices. We have here circle, circle. Now our challenge. Let's write the attributes of each shape from these 3 shapes. The first shape is polygon or not? Yeah, it's polygon. It's 2D shape and closed one, and it doesn't have any curves. So it's polygon that has 10 sides and 10 vertices. The next one, it's polygon also, and it has 5 sides and 5 vertices. The last one, it's polygon or not? No, it's not polygon. Why? Because it has some curves, right? Yeah, so it's not polygon. Now, we have here 3 shapes. Um, 2 are polygon and 1 is not polygon. Could any of these shapes fit into one of our categories? Yeah, we have here our cylinder that belongs to no vertices category. Now our math journal. Reflect on your learning. In your own words, explain a polygon. Yeah, we have polygon, which is 2D shape, straight sides only, which means no curves included, and closed shapes. For example, we have here rectangle and square. Both of them are polygons. And let's explain parallelogram. Parallelogram is 2D shape, which is quadrilateral. It means it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. We said quadrilateral means 4 sides and 4 vertices, and each 2 opposite sides are parallel and equal. Now let's move to lesson 32. Lesson 32 is a revision on multiplication. So I will leave it as a homework for you, but just remember, we will write in the first column number 2 as a factor. So we will multiply all these factors with 2. And the next column, we will multiply these factors by 3. And the third one we will multiply with 4 or by 4. So it's a homework for you to revise the tables. We will start with a warm-up about trapezium, and we studied trapezium or trapezoid in the last year, and we said trapezium is a 2D shape or polygon that has 4 sides and 4 vertices, and these 4 sides, 2 are parallel and 2 are not parallel. And we said parallel means cannot meet. So each trapezium has 2 sides, 2 can meet, so they are not parallel, and 2 can't meet, never can meet. So it's parallel. So let's write the definition of trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral that has 4 sides. 2 are parallel and 2 are not parallel. And we said parallel means cannot meet. Now let's move to the area. The area is the space or number of squares inside the shape. Each square inside the shape is called square unit. Okay, what does it mean? I didn't understand. Let's see an example. Here, in our example, we have a rectangle colored with blue. This big rectangle colored with blue, it has some squares inside it. If we counted these squares inside this rectangle, we will find them 15. So the area of this rectangle is 15. So how to find the area of any shape? Area can be found by two ways. First way, counting squares inside the shape. We said that this blue rectangle is our shape. And if we want to know the area of this rectangle, we will count the squares inside it. How many squares inside it? 15. So we call each one square inside it unit square. So all of them are 15 unit squares. Number 2, we can find the area by multiplying rows by columns. If we considered that this rectangle is like our array, so we can find the area or the total number of squares by multiplying rows and columns. How many rows here? 3. We have 3 rows. How many columns here? 5. We have 5 columns. So if we multiplied 3 by 5, 3 is multiplied by 5, or 3 times 5 equals 15. 15 what? 15 square unit. So the area is 15 square unit. Look at the puzzle below and how many rectangles can you find? How many colors or number of them? Let's find our rectangles. The first one here in blue, the second in red, third in green here like this. This is fourth, baby blue or light blue. This is fifth, which is yellow, and then the black one and the gray one, and we have here brown one and light blue one. Total rectangles are 9 rectangles. Here in lesson 35, determine the area of each rectangle. Explain the strategy you used. If we wanted to find the total area here, we can multiply or count. We can count the small squares inside this first rectangle, or we can multiply rows by columns. How many rows here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. So we can say the total area equal 3 times 6 equals 18. Rectangle number 2, we have here, as we can see, we have here 8 columns and 4 rows. So 8 times 4 equals 32. The third rectangle, we have 7 columns and 10 rows. So 7 times 10 equals 70. By the same way, we can find rectangle number 4 and number 5 and number 6. Now let's move to the challenging. Here we have a garden, and we want, in this problem number 1, we wanted to find the total area. I think the easiest way is to count the small squares. Let's count them together. If we count them, we will find them 30 square units. And in rectangle number 2, if we count the small squares, we will find them 21 square units. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.